Yn dilyn y siom o golli'n drwm o 7-1 yn y gwpan yn erbyn y Bari ganol wythnos, roedd Pont yn gobeithio am newid mawr wrth ymweld â Goytre bnawn Sadwrn. Daeth cyfle cyntaf gêm i Goytre, peniad Jamie Baker o gic gornel yn crafu heibio'r postyn pella. Wedi hanner awr braidd yn ddigyffro fynd heibio, gwrthodwyd gol i Pontypridd yr ymosodwr Sam Johnson yn cam sefyll. Daeth glaw yn yr ail hanner i ychwanegu at ddiflastod y gêm. Blerwch am ddiffynol Goytre'n costio'n ddryd iddynt wrth i'r bel fynd i lwybr Aidan Lewis, a osododd y bel yng nghornel yr oed i roi Ponty ar y blaen, gan gadw i gobeithio na ddal i fyny allan illyd fawr yn fyw. Toc yn y chwiben ola daeth cyfle euraidd i Goytre'n ioni, ond arbediad Davies yn ddigon i selio 3 phwynt holl bwysig i Pontypridd.
Yeah, absolutely delighted with the performance and the result. Really tough place to come. I know Goytre have done well. They held that top spot in the early part of the season. And they were third, fourth going into this game today, and a tough place to come. We spoke to the players, we've spoken as a group about the winter part of our season to come to the grass pitches when the weather and elements are against us and show our battling qualities, and we've certainly done that today, so really pleased.
In terms of the performance, really happy. The boys couldn't have given any more, but obviously disappointed to lose 1-0 in the end.
Yeah, absolutely delighted, you know. Keeps our momentum going in the league, and it's nice to bounce back after a disappointing result in the week in the cup against Barry, so yeah, it was good to get back to winning ways.